BiBi and the milk tanker.
Well, that's a bummer. Came here to help plant trees, and it's raining. What do we do now? Wonder when it's gonna stop.
Looks like somebody's out in the rain. It's a milk tanker. It just got filled with a lot of milk and is now ready to bring it to the factory. The trouble is, the road got all mushy. It makes it really hard for the tanker to move. It can't get up the hill. There's too much milk inside, and the road is too bad. It's too heavy. What are we gonna do? We better get some help quick.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Oh, somebody's honking. They're probably in trouble and need help. Let's have a look. Let's go, guys. Oh, the milk tanker got stuck. We must help him. But how? Maybe we can push him from behind?
But it's too heavy, and the mud is too slippery.
How about we call a helicopter? That would be cool. It would catch the tanker and get it up in the air.
Helicopters don't fly in such weather.
And we should try to find a tractor to get it out.
Yes, tractor is a great idea, BiBi.
All right, here it is. Now we should tie the tanker to the tractor. So, guys, what should we use?
What about this rope?
It's a little too thin. I don't think it'll do.
How about a steel wire then?
Maybe. But I think it's also kind of thin.
Well, what about this hawser then?
Yeah, that's just what we need. Come on. Hooray! Good job. Now the milk won't spoil, and the tanker will get to the factory just in time. People can come and buy the milk tomorrow.
Looks like it's about to stop raining.
That's right. And that means that we can finally plant some trees. Hooray! Well, so long.
Be careful, BiBi. The road is still slippy.
Ah!
Oh, you alright, Beeps?
Yeah, that was fast. See you later. Bye. What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Sport bike. The road racing contest is over, and the winner is the black bike number 10. sport bikes are very fast. They can go up to 400 kilometers per hour. To win a road racing contest, you must be super fast. To be super fast, you must have a great mechanic. And I think we know just the guy.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Hey there! How can I help?
And the sport bike told BiBi his story.
I see. To make you go fast, first we should get you a new motor. Would you help?
Hey guys, let's help BiBi get the new motor.
Great! Thanks!
Is this what we're looking for?
No, it's a headlight. We switch those on when it's dark.
How about a fuel tank?
Nope. Fuel tank is where we put the fuel. It's not a motor. Well, of course. That's what we've been looking for. This new motor should do the job. Hey, Bikey. We got you a brand new mighty motor. It's way better than your old one. Now let's see how it fits. Well, let's hook you up. All done. Now with my computer, I'm gonna check your new motor. It's gonna be fun. Come on, give me some juice. Good. 200 kmph. Not bad for first try. But that's not enough to win the race. Come on, come on. 400! That's so fast! Good job! I'm sure you'll win now! Looks like you're good and ready for the contest, but I think we should paint you up a bit to make you look more like a real fast spot superbike. But what color should we choose? Let's see. What if we paint you red?
What did you say? Green?
No. We get green by mixing yellow and a bit of blue. If you guys have watercolors, you can try it yourselves. But we don't need the green.
Hey BiBi, what's this color?
Come on. Everyone knows it's purple. Yay! This is the color we've been looking for. Now you're ready for the contest. Good luck!
And the race is almost over. Our contestants are making their last lap. I wonder who's gonna be the winner. Look guys, it's BiBi. Came to support our friend number 8. Look at them go! Soon we'll find out who's gonna be the winner. And the winner is sport bike number 8. That's how BiBi helped number 8 come first and win the cup. Thanks for helping guys, and thank you BiBi. You're the best.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
the racing car. This is Gig. He is fast and nimble. Gig is always in the mood for some wacky racing. There was a race one time, and Gig wanted to be in it. But when he came on track, turned out he couldn't enter the contest. They said only racing cars can take part. He gave all the other cars a gloomy look and went back home. But Gig is not a whiny, and he doesn't want to feel sad. Why not pay BiBi a visit? Time to pimp Gig's ride at BiBi's workshop.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair, and all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Today was a little quiet for BiBi. He took care of his customers yesterday and was expecting more today. Then Gig came over. BiBi said hello and asked what happened.
Hey, Gig, what's the trouble? You need help?
And so the Gig told BiBi about the racing contest and how he wanted to take part in it, and that they said only racing cars can be in it. BiBi gave it a little thought and quickly found way out.
Don't worry, Gig. We'll fix your problem. We'll make a great racing car out of you. You'll be super fast, and they'll have to let you enter the race. Right, guys? Where should we start? Safety first. To make it more safe, we should get him a roof. Alright, looks good. Racing cars should have a rear wing. Let's get you one. Racing cars have rear wings because they make them go faster.
Is this the rear wing?
No, it isn't a rear wing at all. It's a look.
What about this?
No, it's a spoiler. It looks like a rear wing, but it's a different thing. There must be clearance between the spoiler and the trunk.
Must be this one.
Yep, that's the one we need. And it's got clearance. Okay, let's lift you up a bit. And now it's time for piping. Racing pipes are a bit wider than the usual ones, and the piping system itself should be as firm as possible. It will make the car sound louder, but it will make it go faster. Okay, let's make Gig a real racing car. One so that he can win the race.
Is this the one?
Oh, no, it's too small.
Maybe this one.
Nope, this isn't the one we need. That's the one we took off.
Must be this one.
Yep, that's the one. Alright, all there's left to do now is to get you a new bumper to make you stable during the race. Alright, Gig. You've been officially pimped. Looks like you can call yourself a real racing car from now on. Good luck to you.
And so Gig has become a real racing car, and he even won the race. Thanks, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.